Hi and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today we're looking at this. I wanted to do something fun with wafers and also use enamels rather than our stringers to make a longer piece of glass. This was inspired by Linda, who posted a piece on our group. So thank you, Linda. And today we're going to show you how we made this. So I wanted to make some pieces, one in 90 and one in 96, using our wafers and some other floral elements. We wanted to film it and show you how we're doing it. So this is also the idea with this, is the fact that sometimes you're making a piece that is longer than our string length is. Now we can't do stringers so long because they just wouldn't get to you guys in one piece. And the design of our stringers is to be kind of hardy and able to kind of arrive in one piece. So the idea of this piece is it's got some nice bit of frit at the end. We're using the streaky mint, I think mint aventurine and white, streaky frit I like to use because it's kind of got the three colours in it and it's quite good for landscapes. So this is what I'm going to use for the 91. I'll show you what I'm going to use for the 96 one. And then after I've done that, I'm going to get my beautiful colleague Tina to draw some enamel lines, just using some green enamel on these to be the stems, because we don't have stringers this length. And although Bullseye stringers are great, they're very straight and they're not very organic in feel, so I don't like them for this project. So now I'm going to hand it over to Tina. And we're not going to think, oh, I'm going to put a flower at the end of this green string. We're just being quite organic about it, just to give a feeling of greenery in the background behind our flowers. So Tina's going to paint these on and then we can go on with the project. So here they are, both ready to go in the kiln, and we can see how they look when they come out. So here they are out of the kiln and nicely glued. I'm really loving this piece. I think they're very kind of elegant and soft and simple. Using Tecta is a very cost-effective way to make your make glass pieces, because it is the cheapest glass. So using that with some MURRINE on it. We have used full MURRINE here, but we've only used 3 wafers, which is good. You could use a lot less wafers, and I think this kind of design would really also lend itself to using things like our curious glass, where you're making up flowers with some curious glass. Even if they've got holes in them, those holes will close over, and that could work really well too. So go to our website, tabithasglassemporium.com, check out all our curious and all of our other range and our wafers, and until next time, happy fusing.